Have you ever wondered what would happen if an ordinary person was suddenly thrown into a world where every decision could mean life or death? That's exactly what you'll experience in Hell Difficulty Tutorial. Book 1 by Cerim. This isn't just another fantasy adventure. It's a gripping lit RPG story where survival isn't guaranteed, and the difficulty level is exactly what the title promises, hell. Every challenge feels earned, every victory comes with a cost, and every mistake can be fatal. What makes this audiobook stand out is its incredible sense of progression. You don't just watch the main character become stronger, you experience every setback, every hard-fought lesson, and every impossible choice alongside them. The world is mysterious, dangerous, and constantly evolving, making it almost impossible to stop listening. The audiobook format makes the action even more immersive. Intense battles, clever strategy, unexpected twists, and emotional moments come alive through excellent narration, making long commutes, workouts, or relaxing evenings feel like an epic adventure. If you're a fan of progression fantasy, lit RPG, survival games, or stories where intelligence matters as much as strength, this audiobook deserves a place on your listening list. The best part? This is only the beginning of an addictive series that keeps raising the stakes with every chapter. If you're looking for an audiobook that delivers non-stop tension, satisfying character growth, and a world you'll keep thinking about long after you finish listening, Hell Difficulty Tutorial. Book 1 is one you shouldn't miss. Check the link in the description to start your free audiobook trial and experience the adventure for yourself.